Yan na BTFM Facebook page na ouch malang show but lagi na bikin na sarsa dal tunga na YouTube channel ni BTFM and bito ko na binaka ni Zero Bites quality product of Punjus biscuits. Ayaw na vi buini nga siya ba? Ha?
Yaw ay carry.
Okay, waraka.
Pelangi and VTFM K0 Bites quality product from Punjus Biscuits.
Hey, another morning, another sunrise.
Good morning.
We say
Good morning,
Bulbunaka.
Andres.
And welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Alright.
And mataka ni sing a lot to level. Ada benaka Eleanor, ada benaka Mika.
A very good morning to you all, and a very good morning to all those tuning in this morning in the live stream all the way from Jakarta and in Chicago in the US. Hey, one lady sitting there. Hey, nice young looking lady.
Yeah.
First time Eleanor up here in the Ouch Palangi Show. Today is the 19th of the 12th month of the December of the 2024.
6 days to Christmas.
6 days what?
6 days to Christmas.
Yeah, see? 6
Dinner.
days away to Christmas.
Dinner.
Only
and
6 days.
Only 6 days. Woo!
Yeah.
666. Yeah,
Sangay. Ada benaka kami kami na siya macam betul kung sala na matali ko. Abi kami na ngoni buli. Maru tiksi sa reki buli na ngono ko. Ako usir talaga abi kami na tumbu. Sir, maru taka chiko na leave kay baki.
Don't
leave.
Yeah.
So na long service leave.
Right.
So medical
leave.
Oh yeah, medical grounds.
So maternity leave.
Maternity leave.
Right.
Ano ni benaka? So back from maternity leave.
Right.
Ni ada benaka na idoriti katalo baru tayo kami na maramatina na matali ko. Ni ada benaka. Kesa. Ira lebih bitu merbiasa berbura.
Yeah, very good morning to those of you tuning in all the way from Sinai, in Cyprus, also in Kuwait, Australia. Those who are going through the neck process of the neck of the program. You are very beloved to you, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show this morning. Wow.
British Army.
What you looking at? Tuning in into your phone.
Audo numero chiko ng taway.
Okay, like who? Mama Willie?
Mama Willie is one taway.
Right.
And all the taway is tuning in this morning.
Okay.
Kira may munisata ka doon naka.
Right.
So we keep ni plan chuna mana January. Ang bakin ko mesa tao na bali.
Mesa tao na bali. Right. And why?
And the way leveling. What
is the dealiness?
Iyo. Kako delay flight.
Right.
But na signi mataka.
Right.
It's not yours.
Hey,
ni signi ko na nonta kana signi ko.
Of course. To pay is tuning in from America.
Dabo.
Right.
Yes. Nangon turang ng Dabo na Korea kay mumbula.
Okay.
Ratu pedeli na nobo.
Right.
Misa.
Emma Loma mbola benaka from
Bunaniu Koro.
Right.
Di ko salah ko Michael tiko may review.
Yeah.
Ayaw. Ya kita may Northland kita do may review na chikini kapa.
Doon mo kami naka. Taw na udong kay namay. Jonathan Koro all the way from British Columbia in Canada. And Meme Vosenledi. A very good morning to you. And 22 followers tuning in this morning on our VTFM Facebook page. 25. Wow. See the numbers going up very quickly.
Okay, laga nung tosyon matari ko bakal na level bito sa akin kay Chungo. Kore talo nga member leti kuku may Bonolive.
One grandfather in Bonolive, I want to say good morning to Somo Masdilo, tuning all the way from Narere and Maramanita. This is from Somo Masdilo's village.
Oi. He's from Bonolive.
He's from Bonolive. That's our tribute singer.
Right.
And this kuku has got one big double plantation, sugarcane. And the sugarcane plantation, mostly people, they go cross the road, and they burn the sugarcane.
Why burn?
I don't know. They loma down what?
Okay.
Jealousy.
Spirit
of jealousy.
Nisanga siya kay Mandubu ba long ni bindubuli.
I blow the spirit of jealousy.
Nisanga siya o kuku kay long ni bindubuli to
long ni bindubuli. So he planned. He's thinking of what he can do to stop the people.
To solve the problem.
Yeah, solve the problem. So the fellas' son, daughters, they're working in Suva and some in overseas.
Oi, boy.
So one day they call him, Kuku, since we are not coming this Christmas, we will buy you one phone.
Iya.
Smartphone.
Right.
Like yours.
Iya.
We can do the video call.
Right.
And they said, okay, you buy the video call so that Christmas time.
But video call?
Yeah. You buy the video call. Buy the phone.
Yeah.
Christmas day we do the video call.
Right.
Yeah. When we do the video call.
Iya.
And this kuku, you buy another one for the grandson.
Iya.
Total cuma nama kumuna, one grandson, one of one,
Iya.
They staying together in one live. So, and Kuku said, okay, see, these people have been burning my
Iya.
our plantation, the ndobu, sugarcane.
Sa tabi ka pa totoo man nga mo dalek bata pa nuli mo sa posyo.
Oh, ere.
Iyo.
Ere ni maungko on tutulungan to buko ay santo amatio.
Uy.
Isa mo limang ko telefoni.
Iyo.
Ere sarba mimi am to bula talaga may. Ando ang gubandon to riray. Iya, merado pono nga ina.
Iyo.
Mata do po
Amatio.
Amatio on tutulungan to.
Santo ta alem.
Ato tapat mo.
Iyo.
And then they say, okay, don't worry, Kuku, we'll buy the phone, we'll buy the binoculars.
Iya.
And they send it over
Yeah.
to Manolem. So Kuku got the phone and he's enjoying calling them. And
Esa maraw.
maraw. Taman maraw Maraw tayo na, maraw telephone phone. Wata nama, ano ba no?
Video calling Facebook.
Video calling Facebook every day.
Yeah.
And the one to Reray.
Yeah.
It's just like the camera.
No.
You know the cameraman?
Yeah.
They always hold the cameraman.
Dinasar.
Like that.
Iya.
Big.
Yeah.
After Christmas,
Yeah.
and then New Year comes.
Yeah.
After that, one day, he called his grandson, Adi Bibuan, Iwaku,
Yeah.
Ahu here.
Oi.
Mo anda manday na sitoa,
Iya.
Leibolia mandamay, Eru nembul manda. Just go to the shop
Iya.
and buy 2 loaves of bread.
Wala na.
When the grandson went to the shop,
Dabuana.
Fafa, the buana,
Iya.
Fafa away. And then the fella forget to tell him
Iya.
to buy 1 quarter pound butter.
Oi.
Yeah, since they have phones, the buana got the phone,
Yeah.
and he want to video call the buana,
Right.
and he video call the buana.
Iya.
The loading there,
Oi.
No internet.
no internet,
Iya.
no internet,
Iya.
No data.
no data,
Oh, yeah. Okay. Right. No data.
no data.
Iya.
Fella trying.
He's a cuckoo.
Yeah, he
Wala ka
doesn't
sa
know
ato na.
that the data only have certain time.
Iya. Doon lang sa tsuman talibon ma.
Something wrong. Mahal ka sa telephone ko. Awa. Sanga sa sinrota.
Yeah.
Antang goro kuku.
Iya.
Antang angoro iruni lo kamu nanta uti na bandon dari raya. Na bandon dari ko ni mga sten sartunga. Lamo abanta bere mina sarga matani atumba. Sangkai sutta ni banda buno sala oboto. Obuana. Na sut bandon don sartunga na buno la oboto obuana ma.
Iya.
Ana la oboto.
Anta una.
Sartunga una. When he aimed the back like this, and then Kuku zoom the binoculars.
Right.
Sangay zoom ta mo
Yeah.
No, zoom ta ina sartunga may mesa wala sartunga may obuana. He just like this the hand.
Yeah.
When you do like when you see the binoculars,
Yeah.
you see your head in front, your head big,
Yeah.
Your hand big and the
Enlargement.
enlargement. It's just like touching
Touching his grandson.
Ngay sinimero ya. Iwaku.
Yeah.
Au here.
Yeah.
Kay boleh atalinga mo ndo kota pon. My grandson.
Yeah, please.
Why one kota pon? What the grandson never look back.
Very yeah, so far.
Bina ba yung sa razira ba ka?
Kaya po mo yung ma.
Iya.
Une nga may punole.
Wala nga kami kung gue rapato dari makanya may telepon.
Ya to na idea actually weekend ta. Rungo na ka sa mata ng telefoni.
Iya.
Dreta nga man mo bondo dori rai. Video call no bondo dori rai.
Nabale. Sige may talo lo siya bikam raw utambo yo na laso.
Oi.
Ya natala no din sarga me bono lew.
Ya, wiki men no kan.
Are. En sarga me jinne tu. John kumaran rabna ka na balem sara sa tumay bill senia. Sara na imbosa miau sa ambulasia manu ni binaktiani FJ Simeone. And mataka ni vaka dhambi sigini.
Esa, dan sigini mamara wiki meno kanda so sa butang itsuna pale.
Right.
Na isul beka bibi so kina na ririn lo mani pale. So beka don mo binaka.
Right.
Tun loa. Kalabatan ko. Pertama na koron to na songko bo eder ni kuen na pulau. Kita ke.
Esa.
Ya na songko ni bulu-bulu. Sa kere wiki meno kanda rabi tolili. Oh muri na law ni ngoni sala.
Don mo kami nakasarang. Na balem sara 0 Bites quality product of Punjus biscuits. Na beto ko ni chiko na outs pala.